folks, and welcome to the channel. If you didn't notice, it's raining. And if you also didn't notice, I've got a bit of dirt road. And we are going to test out the off-roading capabilities of my brand new to me Gsxr 1000R. Buckle up. What could go wrong? I have never seen anyone make a video about off-roading their Gsxr and have it, go terribly wrong. Normally it always ends just fine. So let's see how we end up. Oh, really should have picked a day when it wasn't raining to do this. The key for off-roading, much like any other type of riding, is vision, and making sure that you're using your vision far enough ahead so that you know how to get out of a situation and line yourself up correctly. So for instance, I can feel myself all slipping and sliding around here, but I really need to be looking way up ahead so that I can track my path appropriately and not end up in a situation where I'm on my side. Whew. My poor clutch is going to regret this more than anything, I think. Alright, clutch in. Nice. Very good. We are not doing that pool of water. And we're going to go nice and slowly do that bit. Look up plenty ahead. Make sure we got lots of space. Oh yeah, I can feel it. Sliding, slipping and sliding. There we go. Alright, nice. I don't know if TC is cutting in or not. Quite frankly, I just have to feel it. Oh man, I was not expecting the rain. When I set off, it was completely dry. And yeah. Alright, so go up the hill, up the hill, up the hill. Don't slide, don't slide. Go down the hill, down the hill. The important thing when doing this is don't go sideways on a slope, because that's where things will get messy. Make sure that you're always going either uphill or downhill, not in between. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Whew. Well, that doesn't look much fun. I think I'm going to go down this way to avoid sliding off that bit. Yep, okay. Nice, 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 nice. Keep it moving, keep it moving. Oh, back stepping out. Nice. Good old Gsxr. Who says you can't off-road on a Gsxr? I'm on RS10 sport tires as well, in addition to all of this. Okay, focus, Simon, focus. Okay, okay. Easy, easy. That was very dicey there. Okay, gonna go nice and easy through this bit. Make sure we've got enough clearance here. Woohoo! Oh, yep. Okay, good, 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 good. Now, best way through this, just straight through the middle, I think. Don't try to do too much on the sides. Oh, yeah, okay. Whew. Those of you who've watched the channel long enough know that I did this on my Gsxr 900, which is, well, that's all sideways, which was slightly better at it, if I'm being really honest. Okay. Okay, yeah, alright, good. Just go with the feel, go with the feel. Wherever the bike goes, you go with it. Don't fight it. Just Just let it all happen. Oh, fuck me. Okay. It's too far to go back, isn't it? My gloves are soaking wet. I really hope this is recording. Ow. 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 Momentum is your friend. Momentum. Yes. Okay. Just keep it moving. Keep it moving. There we go. Oh. Alrighty. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is about the halfway mark. Just gonna stop here for a little break. Oh. 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 Oh my God. I swear to you. Oh, that's probably not why I'm sticking that in the mud like that. Put a rock underneath that. Oh. Oh yeah, I'm gonna flip the bike, just trying to put it on a stand. Oh yeah, there, look. That's why you don't want to stick your kickstand in mud. Alright. Take a break. 1 second. Okay, so here we go. Let's carry on with our journey. It's too far along to go back, I think, now. We just have to stay focused. Keep the bike up. No dropping it onto anything. Oh, okay. Eyes up, eyes up. You gotta watch where you're going. You gotta plan this route out very carefully, because a wrong move here could mean very bad trouble 50 yards down the line. Alright, figure out where we want to go. How do we want to do this? Okay, that's the better line there, but I don't know. I think straight through might be the right approach here. No front brakes, just straight through. Oh, I don't know how deep that is. Okay, well, let's just go nice and slow. Okay, let's get us up here, and we will go loop around the outside of this where all the rocks are, straight through here. Don't know how deep that one is, but let's take it nice and easy. Okay, yep. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna edge to the side on this, I think, because that looks quite deep. This one's gonna be slippery as F. Oh. Okay, there we go. Over the middle. Over the middle. Which side do I want to go here? 6 1/2 dozen another. Through looks pretty deep. I'm gonna try edging it here. Yep, okay, good. Oh, yep. There we go. Poor clutch. It's gonna feel like it's burning up. Oh, yes. Thank you for a bit of brick. Very nice. Oh. All right. Okay. Don't get too excited. We see road, which is excellent. However, we've got some bumps in the way before we get out of this, so let's take it nice and easy and not drop it on the last bit, shall we? Whoa, sidey slideys. Well, all right, folks, take it from me. All right, you're steady, yeah? Don't take your Gsxr off-roading in the rain. It is not built for it. To be fair, I wasn't really planning on off-roading in the wet. I was planning on off-roading in the dry, and then we got this lovely piss down of a shower. My gloves are, as you can see, soaking. Bloody hell. I'm going to Silverstone in 2 days, and these things aren't going to dry out in time. Fuck me. Alright folks, well, there you have it. Can the Gsxr 1000R off-road in the rain? Yes, it absolutely can. Would I recommend it? Nope. I definitely would not. That thing was slipping and sliding, but it's good fun. That good practice for when you run off the track. And let's see if we can get back on this road without dumping it. That would be terribly unfortunate, wouldn't it? Dumping at that last moment. There we go. Alright, I'm not sure which way I should go with this. I'm gonna say like that. Fuck me. Oh. Well, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see any of that through the rain, and quite frankly I'm not sure I want to see any of it looking at it back. Wow, that was just a massive shitty coincidence, because when I left it was dry. It was dry as a bone. I think I have some video of whenever I left. I'm not sure. I'll double check. But dry as a bone, no issues whatsoever. And then here it's just pissing down. Good practice for the RS10s in the wet though. If I go to Silverstone and it's raining, so far they're actually holding up fairly well. I mean, to be honest, I ran through the mud, and yeah, they were slipping and sliding around. It's not like they had great grip, but it wasn't like deadly. The front held pretty well, to be honest. Alrighty, well then, this has not exactly been my usual cheerful sunny motor day vlog, but I suppose it will have to do. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you want to see more interesting and fun things that we're going to be doing with this here motorbicycle, tune in, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!